Your front door is more than just an entryway, it's your home's first line of defense. In McLean, where homeowners value both safety and sophistication, upgrading your doors is one of the smartest investments you can make. Door replacement not only enhances curb appeal but also significantly strengthens your home's security, giving you confidence and peace of mind every day. Why your current door may be a security risk: many older homes in McLean still have original wood doors or outdated locking systems. While these doors may look charming, they often lack the structural integrity and modern security features needed to deter today's threats. Over time, doors can warp, weaken, or develop gaps in the frame. Locks can become loose. Hinges may rust. Even small vulnerabilities make it easier for forced entry attempts to succeed. If your door is more than 15 to 20 years old, shows visible wear, or feels lightweight and hollow, it may not be providing the protection your family deserves. Stronger materials mean stronger protection. Modern replacement doors are built with security in mind. Today's options include reinforced steel, solid core fiberglass, and high-density wood composite materials designed to resist impact, splitting, and forced entry. Steel doors, for example, offer exceptional durability and are difficult to kick in or break through. Fiberglass doors combine strength with energy efficiency and are resistant to cracking or warping. These materials are engineered to withstand both intruders and harsh weather conditions common in Northern Virginia. When you replace your door, you're not just updating its appearance, you're upgrading to a stronger barrier between your home and the outside world. Advanced locking systems increase safety. Door replacement in McLean often includes upgrading to modern locking systems. Traditional single deadbolts may no longer be enough. Today's security-focused homeowners are choosing multi-point locking systems, reinforced strike plates, smart locks with monitoring capabilities, keyless entry systems. Multi-point locks secure the door at multiple locations along the frame, making it far more difficult to force open. Reinforced strike plates and longer screws anchor the door securely into the wall studs rather than just the door frame. Smart locks provide an added layer of control. You can monitor who enters your home, receive alerts, and even lock or unlock your door remotely, perfect for families, frequent travelers, or homeowners who want enhanced oversight. A secure frame is just as important. Security isn't only about the door slab itself. The frame, hinges, and installation quality all play critical roles. Professional door replacement ensures the frame is reinforced and properly aligned. Weak frames are one of the most common failure points during break-ins. High-quality installation eliminates gaps and misalignment that can compromise security. Properly fitted doors close tightly and latch securely, leaving no room for prying tools or leverage. When installed correctly, your new door becomes a complete security system, not just a decorative panel. Better visibility and lighting options. Modern door designs can also improve safety through strategic visibility. Options like reinforced glass panels with laminated or impact-resistant glass allow natural light into your entryway without sacrificing protection. You can also pair your door replacement with upgraded exterior lighting and side lights designed with security glass. A well-lit entrance combined with durable materials deters unwanted activity while maintaining an elegant appearance that fits McLean's upscale neighborhoods. Peace of mind for your family. Ultimately, replacing your door is about more than hardware, it's about protecting what matters most. Knowing your entry points are reinforced allows you to relax at night, travel confidently, and feel secure when your children are home. In a community like McLean, where property values are high and homes are a significant investment, strengthening your home's entry system makes practical and financial sense. A secure door not only protects against intruders but also increases resale value and improves energy efficiency. A smart upgrade that delivers immediate benefits. Door replacement in McLean is one of the fastest ways to enhance both security and style. With stronger materials, advanced locking technology, reinforced frames, and professional installation, you create a safer living environment without sacrificing curb appeal. If you've been considering a home upgrade, start at the front door. It's the gateway to your home, and upgrading it is one of the most powerful steps you can take to protect your family and your peace of mind.